Today, we're diving deep into a drink that's been nourishing us for centuries, milk. But is it just yummy, or does it pack a hidden punch of health benefits? Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the 10 superpowers of milk, all backed by science. Milk mania, it comes in all shapes and sizes to move your taste buds. Cow's milk is the classic, but buffalo milk has higher fat content. And for our lactose-sensitive friends, there are fantastic plant-based options from soy, almond, or even oat. Milk comes from mammals, naturally meant to nourish their young. But it turns out, it's pretty darn good for us humans too. Milk is a treasure trove of essential nutrients. We're talking calcium for strong bones and teeth, protein for building muscle, and vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, B12, and potassium, all crucial for our overall health. So let's explore the 10 surprising health benefits of milk. Number 1. Bone builder, calcium. Did you know the recommended daily allowance, RDA, for calcium in India is around 1,000 milligrams for adults? Just 1 cup of milk provides about 300 milligrams. Plus, milk contains vitamin D, which helps our bodies absorb calcium. Number 2. Muscle maker, protein. Milk is packed with 2 types of protein, whey and casein. Whey is fast-absorbing, perfect for post-workout recovery, while casein is slower releasing, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Aim for 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, and milk can be a great way to reach that goal. Number 3. Immunity booster, vitamins and minerals. Milk is a natural source of vitamin A, C, and zinc, all superstars for your immune system. Vitamin A helps maintain healthy mucous membranes, the first line of defense against germs. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, and zinc helps them function properly. It's a triple threat for a healthy immune system. Number 4. Heart healthy, potential benefits. Studies suggest moderate milk consumption might be linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Remember, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are key for overall heart health. Milk also contains potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Number 5. Hydration hero, fluids and electrolytes. Milk is about 87% water, keeping you hydrated throughout the day. Besides water, it also contains electrolytes like sodium and potassium, which help your body retain fluids, especially during exercise. So next time you're sweating it out, consider a glass of milk alongside water. Number 6. Blood pressure buddy, potassium. Just 1 cup of milk provides about 340 milligrams of potassium, an essential mineral for regulating blood pressure. It helps counteract the effects of sodium and keeps your blood pressure in check. Don't forget other dietary sources of potassium like bananas and leafy greens for a well-rounded approach. Number 7. Weight management wizard, potential benefits. Some studies suggest milk can be part of a weight management plan. The protein in milk can keep you feeling fuller for longer, reducing cravings. However, portion control and overall calorie intake are still crucial. Number 8. Relaxation rockstar, tryptophan. Warm milk before bed might just help you unwind. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that converts to serotonin, a neurotransmitter promoting relaxation and sleep. Combine warm milk with calming activities like reading or meditation for an ultimate relaxation routine. Number 9. Skincare savior, vitamins. Milk contains vitamins A and B12, which contribute to healthy skin. Vitamin A promotes cell turnover, and vitamin B12 helps maintain skin health. Remember, a balanced diet and good skincare routine are essential for glowing skin, but milk can definitely be a part of the equation. Number 10. Post-workout champion, protein, carbs and electrolytes. After a workout, your body needs a mix of protein for muscle repair and carbohydrates to replenish energy stores. Milk provides both. Plus, the electrolytes in milk help with rehydration. Interestingly, chocolate milk might be an even better post-workout choice due to its additional carbohydrates. Like most things, moderation is key. Excessive milk consumption might lead to digestive issues for some. A milk deficiency can lead to symptoms like weak bones, fatigue, and muscle cramps. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, don't worry. Calcium-fortified plant-based milks, leafy greens, and even some seafood can be excellent alternatives. And here's the secret tip for you. Did you know adding a pinch of turmeric to warm milk can boost its anti-inflammatory properties? Milk isn't just a delicious drink. It's a powerhouse for different age groups. Let's break down the benefits. For our young champions, 2 to 18 years, growing bones and bodies need a calcium and protein punch. Milk provides both, along with vitamin D for strong bones and teeth. It's like a superhero suit for growing kids. Remember, the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends 2 to 3 cups of whole milk daily for toddlers, 2 to 3 years old, transitioning to low-fat or fat-free milk afterwards. Adjust this based on your child's individual needs and activity level. For the Wonder Women, all ages, milk is a BFF for women's health. From strong bones throughout life, especially during pregnancy, breastfeeding, and menopause, to supporting muscle mass that keeps you feeling strong, milk's got your back. Plus, it might even help with PMS symptoms. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of low-fat or fat-free milk daily, but remember, individual needs may vary. For our wise elders, over 50, as we age, keeping bones strong becomes even more critical. Milk's calcium and vitamin D duo is a champion for bone health, preventing fractures and keeping you active. Plus, milk can help maintain muscle mass and might even regulate blood pressure. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of low-fat or fat-free milk daily, but consult your doctor if you have any concerns or digestive issues. Remember, these are general guidelines. Individual needs vary based on activity level, diet, and health conditions. Milk, a super drink with a plethora of health benefits. Remember, a balanced diet is key. But hey, including milk can definitely give your health a move up. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more knowledge bombs. See you next time.